All right, so I just want to make a quick video because a question came up about how to access the videos um, for class. Well, a couple of ways you can do it. One is if you click on the week, let's say week 3, I have 4.1, 4.3 that I'm teaching this week. It says access 4.1, 4.3 live lecture and notes. You click on that in Canvas. I would tell you, my suggestion is that you click on the PDF notes. It will download. And when you click on that, it will open up to a new page. So this right here is a PDF of the notes that corresponds to this video here. So what I would tell you to do is either copy or print out these notes. After you do so, play the video so that you can write on these notes on little, tidbits that you want to add to it. And this way it'll kind of help you down the road. If you want to write it out, you're welcome to do that. If you want to print it, you're welcome to do that. Whatever you want to do, I make sure that these notes um, doesn't cut off anywhere. It is, everything should be in its own little page. So that would be the best way to access the videos. Another way to do it is to go back home and you could always click on the YouTube channel here. This will send you right to my YouTube playlist. And if you're in intermediate algebra, which is 1033, you can click here for the full list. And these lessons will go from 1 through whatever, and it'll show you, it'll kind of go through every single one if you wanted to, right? So you're welcome to do that as well. So number 8 here is 4.1 slash 4.3 notes. It's 32 minutes long, so you know exactly how much time you need in order for that to go. All right. If you are from college algebra, intermediate algebra may be somewhere that you might have to go back to revert and refresh on some of the topics, especially at the beginning of the semester. All right, if you're in college algebra, here it is, and so on and so forth. If you have any questions, let me know. See ya.